What's poppin', everybody? It's day 2. I'm looking like a K-pop star. This side is the side we're gonna do this today, not this week, today. So just gotta clean it up a little bit and then mark all the dents. And yeah, I really want to wire brush this. I was dreaming about it last night. For some weird reason, I just kept dreaming about wire brushing this goo off. I don't know why, but yeah, I guess it's a dream of mine. And now I have to figure out all the dents on here. So there's one here. Excuse me, one here. Yeah, take off all these things nicely and stuff. But I do really have to wipe this side down. What is that for? Oh, here. Hello. Okay. Good to go. Let's get started. Okay, so pretty much all of the stuff here that's marked. Here's all the dents and all the little misperfections, or I don't know if that's a word. Unperfections, whatever. Anyways, yeah, I pretty much circled everything that needs to be done. So this side's gonna take a little longer because there's much more. Not as much as I thought there was, but there's more, obviously. This is such a crazy looking situation right here, but I'll figure that out shortly. But other than that, let's get to cracking. Let's get cracking on this too. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm emptying the gas in the tank for like 3 years, and it was so brown. I'm pretty sure the tank is rusty. Hopefully we can do something about it. Hopefully it's not super bad where it clogs up the fuel pump. We might have to run a few filters, a new filter after this, like a few new filters to filter it out. But hopefully we can get it so it's decent. Damn, that sucks. But I should have done this years ago, but I was lazy. So yeah, there's a bunch of brown gas, and the gas nowadays is not good because it's mostly water. So just kind of figuring things out as I go. Hope this doesn't ruin the process of me starting the car, because the rust clogging up the fuel filters and lines and stuff. But you know, hopefully there's not rust. That'd be great. That'd be the perfect situation, or minimal rust at least. Check back in after. Oh, and I also took the bumper off. There you go. Yep, also took the bumper off, so I'm gonna start prepping this side. Not too much to prep because it's a pretty straight, clear bumper or body. But I think I'm going to try to fabricate my own bumper brackets using square tubing, because I just had little stop sign thingies. That's all I could afford in 2012. Or I had this car 2014. You know what I mean. So I saw this hack on Facebook, and I just wanted to try it because I have some time waiting for the bondo to dry. And I have an ungodly amount of ketchup packets, and I have a ketchup bottle, but I'm just gonna use the packets now because they were free, obviously. But we have this rusty bumper here. And I heard if you put ketchup on the bumper or on the rust, it'll come off. So I want to try this because I thought it would be pretty funny, and it's for content, you know. So let's see if this really works. We're gonna do rust removal on a KE70 bumper with ketchup. Let's try it. By the way, I'm only gonna do a little part of it for now. If it works, I might do the whole thing, but I was planning on sanding the bumper anyway and painting it. But if this comes out, I might just keep the bumper chrome. Let's go for the worst area first. So I'm gonna do right here. That is probably the worst rust on the bumper. I'm gonna try to put some ketchup on it and see how that goes. This is pretty weird. I don't know. I saw this on Facebook. You know, those crazy DIY things. So I'm gonna wait like 10 minutes tops, and if it works, then we'll see. That'll be sick. That'll be weird, but we can confirm or deny this hack. 10 minutes is up. Stop timer. Let's try this out. This hack that we've seen on the YouTubes. Wow. Why does this kind of work? It's kind of scary. It's just the spot rust is not coming out. But all that rust that was over here just came off. That's crazy. Let's see if this will come off. Put you guys down. It kind of works, which is kind of making me uneasy. Let me get a wire brush or a steel wool. So this is some very fine steel wool. I'm gonna see if this takes it off better. That'll trip me out because it's taken off some of the rust already, and that was just a little toothbrush that I had. Oh wow, that's crazy. That's wild, dude. What the hell? That's crazy. Okay, so we'll just test this out on non-ketchup. If this works on non-ketchup, then it's basically just the steel wool acting. But this is stuff that wasn't hit with non-ketchup or no ketchup, didn't get hit with ketchup, and then the non-ketchup side of the steel wool, and it takes it off, but not as easy. So, but if I put some ketchup on it, I'll just use this ketchup side, and then I rub it, and it's pretty decent how it comes off. Definitely don't want to be touching ketchup all day though. But that shit goes into your stomach. That's wild. Yeah, this side's not coming off as easy as when I let it sit with ketchup. But damn, I guess it works for little stuff. Spot rust. If you want me to try this bolt right here, I can. That's very heavily rusted. But yeah, dang, it works. Crazy. I guess that myth is now busted. It works. Thanks for watching Mythbusters. Okay, so I did the whole bumper just because I wanted to see more. It's a little sticky, but it works pretty good. Look at this. Let me show you where the real rust is. So right here, you can see some spots. Step on it. See some spots there of rust. Just kind of takes off. Not yet. How weird is that? Put a little more ketchup on there. It just flakes off. How wild is that? I was gonna paint this bumper. I think I'm gonna start wetting it. I'll update you guys. What's poppin'? It's day 3 in the TE72 bodywork, whatever the fuck I want to call it. But I wasn't gonna vlog today because I'm doing little minor stuff. I made brackets for my fuse box and stuff like that. But I wasn't gonna vlog, but I just want to show you how much in complete hell I am in right now. This is the worst thing to ever do. Plasti dip something fiberglass that's and you spray it on thin. Absolute hell. So I don't know why I bought this. Anyways, yeah. So I can't sand it because the fiberglass will misshape. It'll like deform. If I could sand it, that'd be, you know, a little bit better, but I can't. I have to just peel it, and it doesn't want to come off too much. See, I just have to keep doing that. My fingers are there you go. Fingers are all raw. I'm dying out here. So if I do something really bad in my life and you want me to suffer, this is what you should make me do for the rest of my life. Is just fucking this hell. Anyways, it's getting windy too. But yeah, just a little small stuff. I'll keep you guys updated. Kind of. Okay, so I'm gonna have my bracket here, so I'm gonna have to drill into the engine bay. I'm gonna have only 2 dress out bolts coming out here. It's better than self-tap screws. That's what I was gonna, oh, that's what it was there before. So yeah, hopefully I don't fuck this up. You guys can watch me do it too. Wish me luck.
We're all in uncharted territory, looking for ways to support our communities. At Dell Technologies, we're making sure small businesses can get right tech solutions. Dell Technologies advises
So if you guys didn't see the vision before, I'm gonna have this just chilling here, and it's gonna be the only bolts pretty much in the bay, but that's gonna be chilling, and then there's gonna be one more here, and then the bracket's gonna hang out here for a bit, and then yeah, let me go set it up for you guys. So just checked it. That's what it's gonna look like. There's gonna be one more here, but I just welded the nut on, so on the other side of the bracket, so I don't want to put the screw in yet when it's super hot. But this one is basically, that's how that's gonna be. This is replicating my mirror, my fender mirror little post, and it looks pretty good. Show you guys. So that's the bracket. So right there, you can't really see. Let me take off the fender. So here you go. This is what it's like right now. So it just sits. I do want to cut this possibly here so it's a little shorter, and I'm gonna put a flat screw through here, so I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna do there. Other than that, it's good to go. I just gotta put that one thing over here, I forgot, that solenoid thing, that ground wire. But other than that, it's good to go. It's solid too, so it's in there. We're still gonna make a plate too, just to block off all the moisture water that kicks up. It's getting there slowly. Really close angle. There you go. There's a better angle. So I'm here at Uncle Max's house, and look at my subframe. That's so sick.
Next time on Garage Culture.